Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to instantly check a property's investment potential using the Homesage.ai API, a must-have for investors, real estate agents, and anyone aiming to make smart, data-driven decisions. Let's jump right in. First, sign in to your Homesage.ai account. From the sidebar, click on Integrations, then select Keys. If you don't already have one, generate a new API key. Copy it and store it somewhere secure. Next, head back to Integrations, then open Documentation. Scroll to the endpoint for investment potential. You'll only need one parameter, property address. Enter the full address of the property you want to analyze. Here's how to set it up in Postman. Start a new GET request. Paste the API URL above. In the Params tab, key property address, value, full address here. On the Authorization tab, choose Bearer Token and paste your API key. Click Send and you'll get a response like this: Investment potential, good. Other possible results are high, excellent, or if the property has no available data, no investment potential available. And that's it. You can now instantly identify top investment opportunities and avoid hidden risks, all in just seconds. If you found this guide helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick, hands-on tutorials with real estate data and Homesage AI.